Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding crocheted cotton design. Different designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of crocheted cotton design. Those ladies who love such type of cotton design. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. If you want to buy this very beautiful crocheted cotton design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was I done? How was the designs of crocheted cotton design? Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your room, your lounge with your crocheted cotton designs, matching bedsheet design, pillow cover design, cushion cover design, sofa cover designs. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.